Welcome back to Deco, where we explore beautiful home garden design ideas to inspire your outdoor spaces. Today, we're stepping into a charming small garden oasis filled with creative upcycled treasures and rustic courtyard appeal that proves even the tiniest spaces can become magical retreats. This delightful garden combines reclaimed materials, vintage accents, and lush greenery to create a cozy sanctuary full of character. Every corner tells a story, showing how thoughtful design and a little creativity can transform an ordinary courtyard into something extraordinary. Before we begin, please subscribe to the Deco channel, give this video a like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear which ideas inspire you the most for your own garden projects. The journey begins at a welcoming entrance framed by climbing plants and weathered wooden elements. The rustic textures immediately set a warm and inviting tone, drawing visitors into the peaceful atmosphere beyond. Repurposed containers filled with colorful flowers line the pathway, adding charm and personality while making excellent use of limited space. Old metal buckets, wooden crates, and vintage pots become beautiful decorative features with practical value. Soft greenery spills over the edges of planters, creating a relaxed and natural appearance. This layered planting approach helps soften hard surfaces and makes the courtyard feel larger and more connected to nature. One of the most inspiring aspects of this garden is its creative use of upcycled treasures. Items that might otherwise be discarded have been given new life as eye-catching garden features. An old bicycle becomes a unique plant stand overflowing with blooms, while reclaimed wooden pallets serve as vertical gardens packed with herbs and decorative foliage. These thoughtful touches add personality while supporting sustainable design practices. The beauty of upcycling lies in its ability to create one-of-a-kind focal points. Every reused object contributes to the garden's story, making the space feel personal, authentic, and full of charm. The rustic courtyard atmosphere comes alive through natural materials and aged finishes. Stone paving, weathered brick walls, and reclaimed timber work together to create a timeless setting. Rather than striving for perfection, this design embraces texture and age. Moss-covered surfaces, worn edges, and subtle imperfections add depth and visual interest throughout the garden. These rustic elements provide a beautiful backdrop for the plants, allowing vibrant foliage and flowers to stand out while maintaining a harmonious and balanced appearance. A small but comfortable seating area serves as the heart of this courtyard oasis. Carefully positioned furniture creates a perfect place to enjoy morning coffee, read a book, or simply relax among the greenery. Simple wooden benches, vintage chairs, and handcrafted tables blend naturally with the surrounding garden. Their rustic appearance complements the overall design while maintaining comfort and functionality. Surrounding the seating area with potted plants helps create a sense of privacy and intimacy. This arrangement transforms the courtyard into a peaceful outdoor room that feels secluded and welcoming. The garden's lush appearance is achieved through thoughtful layered planting. Tall plants establish structure, medium-height varieties add fullness, and low-growing ground covers soften the edges. A mix of textures and leaf shapes keeps the space visually interesting throughout the year. Ferns, ornamental grasses, flowering perennials, and climbing vines work together to create a rich and dynamic display. Even in a compact courtyard, strategic planting can create the illusion of abundance. Layering draws the eye through the space and makes the garden feel larger and more immersive. Small decorative details bring personality and warmth to this charming oasis. Vintage lanterns, handcrafted ornaments, and weathered garden art contribute character without overwhelming the space. Carefully chosen accessories complement the rustic theme while adding visual surprises throughout the courtyard. These accents encourage visitors to slow down and appreciate each unique corner. Soft lighting enhances the garden's atmosphere during the evening hours. Warm illumination highlights plants and architectural features, creating a magical ambience that extends enjoyment long after sunset. This small garden oasis demonstrates how creativity, sustainability, and thoughtful design can transform even the most compact outdoor space into a beautiful retreat. Upcycled treasures and rustic courtyard charm combine to create a truly inspiring environment. Whether you're working with a tiny courtyard, a narrow side yard, or a small backyard, many of these ideas can be adapted to suit your own space. The key is embracing character, maximizing every corner, and allowing your personality to shine through. Thank you so much for watching Deco. If you enjoyed this garden inspiration, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite feature from today's tour. We look forward to bringing you more beautiful garden ideas in our next video.